on.
Hello, what's
Read
up?
it.
I
You
believe
think I'm
you.
lying to you?
I believe you.
I remember all my life trying to escape my wife.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Say good morning, everything. I'm taking Dada's bed. Dada's couch. Good morning. Hoy, good morning, Babag. Good morning.
Guys, I'm sleepy over here. Please don't bother me. I'm sleeping and I'm using
He's confused. That's not my voice. That's not my voice, guys.
I'm sleeping over here, guys. So you don't have to Mark Enriquez over here nagre-report. Nagbabalita na tutulog si Happy Bug. Si Mike Enriquez na nagbabalita. Nagbabagang balita. Nagbaga. Nagbaga ang daming kayo kasi nagbaga-baga.
Ang hiingay ni Mama early in the morning, ha? Early in the morning, Mama's annoying and a very noisy Mama. Dito na naman si Dimples natutulog sa bag. Wala itong pakialam, basta kayo magkasya yung katawan. Yung katawan niya is nagkasya sa bag. So gustong-gusto niya yun. Yung parang feeling niya na hindi siya makikita. Na pero klarong-klaro naman yung katawan niya lumalaki. Lumalaki ng lumalaki. Mama, you're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing me, Mama. I'm your daughter and you feed me a lot. You feed me a lot. Andyan gustong magpahamak. Gusto niyang hawakan ko siya kaya gayon. Yun. Gumagalaw na siya, gumagalaw at tinitingnan niya ako. Gusto niyang hawakan yung bili niya. Ha? Ang laki ng jagili-jagili ng bili na yan. Hi, Diam. Hello, Diam. Your brother is jealous na. Ha? Your brother is coming here because he is jealous, ha? Look at that. Op. Pumasok si Habs doon. Every time nakakausapin ko si Dimples, magsisilos talaga yan. Look, tignan nyo. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo. Kapag wala ako dito, tatalon yan sa ulo ni Habs. Look. Si Dimples din magagalit. Ganyan yan sila. And then, si Dimples magalit. And then yun na, naghabula na. Ganyan na sila. Good morning, everything. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing over and over. Kasi ito lang yung parang... What? You did it already? That's it? I follow you because I thought you stay long. A timer for outdoor thing?
Yeah, the outdoor time. I mean, there's timers for indoors, timers for outdoors.
Okay, guys, we are going, and where's my pizza? So we're gonna visit Mom, and we're gonna go to the other house.
We need to get flowers. I need to do this.
Where?
You can follow me, thank you.
Bathroom. I guess I drive. I drive? He drive daw. Siya yung mag-drive. And alam niyo ba what I got? Pizza for lunch. Mag-stop daw kami magdala ng bulaklak para kay Biyenan. Oh guys, tumawag pala yung kapatid ni Tami. Ngayon lang, kabababa lang namin, tumawag siya. Nagtanong siya sa akin, bakit ayaw daw ng asawa ko muna mag-hire ng truck. Sabi ko, hindi ko alam. Kayo dapat mag-usap kasi hindi ko alam kung ano. At saka kausapin mo siya ng maayos. Give me your wire. I can put it. Watch out. Your money is everywhere. Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah, okay.
He's very wealthy guy. He's very wealthy.
I've been to the bank for a while.
So anyway, so yun guys. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kausapin mo siya ng maayos. Huwag ka naman maging parang galit-galitan kasi ayaw niya to. Gusto niya parang
Stupid little dandelions are coming back.
they're coming back. Okay. So where are we stopping for flowers?
I don't know. CVS, Walgreens. Okay.
Over here?
I don't know. Here or there.
Hi guys, malapit na kami. Are we close? Cemetery.
I'm gonna stop.
Welcome back to
CVS.
right now. I'm Thomas.
Hello guys. So ngayon guys, andito na kami sa sa CVS na bibilhan. Ako kasi yung sigarilyo ni Tommy ang lakas and pasensya na mask. So bibili lang kami ng flower para kay Biyenan. At saka yung sister-in-law ko nag-text na, guys. Ang problema ngayon, hindi kami magtagal, 'di ba? Hindi kami mag-stay doon ng mga until what time kasi alam nyo naman yung alaga namin doon. Hindi pwede. So ngayon, ang problema ni Tommy is I'm sure maiwan yung kapatid niya. And then ayaw ni Tommy yung ganun kasi gusto niyang tignan kung anong mga tinatapon or ganun, you know, alam niyo na. Kasi itong asawa ko, loko-loko. So, I hope makapag-vlog tayo doon mamaya. Let's see, I will try. I will try mag-vlog kahit andun sila mag-asawa. Nakakaloka. Anyway, I will see you later. Ano ng oras? Almost 12 na. Buti na lang, nagdala ako ng pizza. I guess you got something. You got some crunch. Oh my god, Danny. You have so many of this. I guess. Huh?
No.
Yes, we do. From 5 years ago. I'll open it for you. Careful.
Go out of here.
Kasi guys, alam nyo na guys, this husband is love sweets. He loves sweets. Drive first.
You would like those. It's got rice.
Rice?
Yes.
You're right.
Huh?
Hello, what's
Read
up?
it.
I
You
believe
think I'm
you.
lying to you?
I believe you. I always do.
You never do. Who you can?
I believe you, hon. I'm gonna eat one. Paborito. Well, I like crunch. I like Snickers. The crunch is nice. The Snickers is nice because they have that texture, the peanut thingy. So, that's why I do. So, you know where you're going, right?
Yep.
Okay. So, time check, guys. It is 12:07 na ng odto. Ng odto talaga. And then, sister-in-law is probably halfway already. And you know, her husband is, he was his job.
U.S. Marshal.
It's a marshal. He drive crazy. No light, no speed limit. He just like. And what is these people doing here?
I don't know.
Seriously, honey, we're stuck.
They're trying to park in that space apparently.
And we are stuck because of this
They're not
person.
doing a very good job.
This is rice, different texture rice. I see people having the real Christmas tree
Yep.
on top of the roof. A small one.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling out, yeah. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling out.
How many flowers you got? Oh, it's just you get to crunch. Seriously, honey. Is that for mom? We can give mom. He loves chocolate. Gustong-gusto ni mother yung chocolate. He got 2 chocolate bag. Seriously. He got the flowers.
And a little poinsettia.
Huh?
And a little poinsettia.
What's that? Okay,
Mom
so
likes poinsettias.
she does? Oh, they put
We
flowers
don't have
here.
them because of cats.
Oh, they have flowers here?
Poison to the cats.
Oh, Isabel got something?
Yeah.
Like that. You look, did she buy some stuff?
Yeah, somebody brought it.
Huh? I think Isabel. Look, this is what yes, Friday guys, pagkatapos nung nilagyan nila ng heart dito. So yun. Do you have a knives?
I have a knife.
Oh, you do, right? I don't know bakit hindi nila nilagay doon. Dito siya nilagay.
No, we're actually get a better one. And the my father's mother.
That's where they get the Amalia.
Right.
Right?
That's spelled mother. You can say mom.
Amalia the daughter now. It's the mother.
No, that's Amelia.
Amelia.
Isabel's middle name is Amalia.
Really?
It's like my brother's middle name was Ferdinand, named after Freddie's father was Ferdinand. I'm sorry, Andy's father was Ferdinand. What? They said they couldn't.
Why?
Because they have to put it on the side that she's buried, and they said, and I said, that doesn't make sense. There's only supposed to be 12 placements in this burial. So what they're saying is there's 7 on one side, and that means there's 7 on the other side, that means there's 14 placements. It's not, there's only supposed to be 12. So I think they screwed up, but that's where they did not, that's the way it is. So I don't know how that
So that means it's right here, and there's another there.
yeah,
that side?
here and here. And they're like that.
It's a fake one. No, it's fake. It's a fake one. It won't die. Yeah,
See, like that.
that's fake too. All of it.
It was here and it broke. Oh, no, it's a fake.
Yeah, it's fake. Okay, let's go. So. Uwi na kami. Do you know where you're going?
Yeah. There shouldn't be garbage shells around here.
You do that before. There's nothing here. We did that. Sing it, sing it.
But I remember all my life trying to escape my wife.
How dare you? You want to skip with me Monday. Mandy, he's singing. We're singing Mandy. Slow down over here. So this is a speeding area. Some of these are apartment.
Yes.
So it's nice to live here. It's like under you is a lot of pizzeria, grocery store, bank.
Don't even travel far. It's like moving to Manhattan.
Everything is here.
Except everything closes up early.
They close early here?
Oh.
I've been here but I never know that they close early here. Brake!
This guy's going right.
Brake!